We'll slice the salmon fillets into a crisscross blooming shape. Fry them until crispy, and pair them with a glossy teriyaki sauce. Salmon is my family's favorite type of fish. We eat it at least once a week. I hope you and your family will also enjoy this recipe. Here we have about 1 pound of salmon fillets, skin on. During the frying process, the skin will help them to stay in one piece. Slice each salmon fillet diagonally into a crisscross blooming shape, without cutting through the skin. Each cut is about ½ inch apart. Season them with salt and white pepper. Coat them with the cornstarch and dust off the excess. In a pot over high heat, add the oil. Heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully put in the salmon fillet one at a time. Fry until crispy for about 3 minutes. Remove the salmon fillet and drain. Repeat with the other one. In a pot over medium heat, add the chicken stock, soy sauce, sake, and sugar. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Add the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until the sauce is thickened. Add the scallions inside. And give it a good mix. You can place the sauce on the side or drizzle it over the salmon. Garnish with the scallions. When Chinese people eat, we emphasize on eating a balanced meal. When we eat a crispy teriyaki salmon dish, we will also pair it with a healthy soup and lots of vegetables. Happy cooking and enjoy! This is a really awesome way to eat salmon. It pairs perfectly with the teriyaki sauce. I love it. I hope that you have also enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!